We'll do a problem involving percents. We're going to answer the question, what number is 24% of 75? And let's just begin by translating this. What number we can translate to the variable a, because we're looking for an amount, so we'll call it a, translates to equals 24%. We'll just write as 24% of translates to multiplication, and then we have 75. So what we did here was to translate this to an equation. And we have the equation a equals 24% times 75. Now let's go ahead and solve that equation. To do this, we're first going to convert 24% to decimal notation, and then we'll do the multiplication. So we'll have a equals 0.24 times 75, and when I carry out that multiplication, I get a is equal to 18. So we can say that 18 is 24% of 75. That answers the question that we were asked.